Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Michael Mail with Affiliate Rookie, and today we're actually going to take a look at LeadPal. LeadPal is a platform that allows you to grow your email list, but not only grow it, but get verified emails that are good, not spam emails or the ones that you buy from like Fiverr or somewhere, but this is genuine emails that people opt in to give their email. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the features of this platform and see if it fits your type of business. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this and content like this, please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump in and take a look at LeadPal. Okay, so when you log on to LeadPal, you're going to be put onto the dashboard where it would show all of your campaigns that are going on. So it would show you the name of the campaign, it would show you the tags, it would show you the links, as well as the social media platforms that they're using to log into. And in this, you can actually edit or delete these campaigns if you don't need them anymore, okay? And on the left side, you will have all the functions that you can do, which is campaign, create links, your data, your reminders. If you click on setup, you will have the capability of doing HTML forms, integrations, which will be for your auto response. You can actually create pixels if you want to use Facebook or Google, and you have your social media apps. It also has here where you can do a referral friend, which you can set up a campaign for that, and access, and you have training. Now, when you first get started, you definitely want to log into the training area first because you want to learn how to use this platform from scratch. This will teach you how to do the auto response. You can do HTML forms. You can do Zapper to integrate as well if you need to integrate it with an auto response that doesn't have on the list, which I'll show you in a second. You can do create your campaigns. It will show you how to connect it to your domains. Now, when it comes to connecting to domains, this is one of the features you have to upgrade to, which we'll talk about at the end, okay? As well as you can do your setups for your links, your QR codes. Everything is here in all these video training. It's very simple and easy. So that's the first thing you should do is go in, start watching the videos, learning how to use the platform because it's going to help you in the long run. Okay, so let's jump in here, and what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to do certain things in this platform. So the first thing you should do after you've learned all of the training, you should go in and integrate your auto response. So what you do is you'll hit setup, and then you'll go to integrations. Okay, and then you'll hit new integrations. Now you click on here, which is type. This is where all the auto responses that they have that you can use. Now, if you can't use, if you don't see your auto response, you can use Webhook or you can use Zapier to see if you can integrate it with it. But we're going to use MailerLite today. So you'll give it a name, okay? So because this is what you're going to click on when you need to use it. And then what you'll do is you'll add your key code here. And then once you add your key code, you can test it and it will tell you if it's okay. And then you can hit create. And it will tell you it's been created successfully. Okay? So then what you do is you go in here and then you basically create your campaign by creating campaign. And then you will give your campaign a name. Okay? And if you need to add tags, you can give it a little description if you want to. Here, and then right here is where you would put your link. So this link will be an alternative link where you need people to go to. So we're going to use Bing. Okay. And then here is where you would choose which way you want the people to log into. So if you want them to log into Twitter, you click on that. If you want to use Facebook, click on that. Google, Instagram, Amazon, you got Apple, you got a bunch of these different ones. So you just turn them on, okay? And you can put a logo here if you choose to do that. Hit close. And then you definitely want to enable GDPR, okay? That's giving them options to let you actually use the information, and it's telling them that it's the okay for them. They're giving the okay to opt in, okay? And then here's where you would have all the information if you want to show their name. You can hide that if you need to. The last name, if you don't want the last name, you can just do that. And then your email. Of course, you want that to be shown. And then here is where you would integrate it. So when you integrate it, it will tell you where you want to integrate. Of course, we only have one, but you can choose if you have multiple integrations. And then you would just say add an integration. Okay? And this is where you would choose your list. Okay? And then that would be at the bottom here. And if you were using HTML, you would just click on that. And then you would choose the website you want it to go to, that you're actually going to integrate it to. Okay? And then you hit let's go back here. Sorry, I deleted it. There we go. Then you would hit create campaign. And then that's simple as that. You're done. Simple and easy. So when you're creating your different type of campaigns, you have that set up. Okay? Okay, so once you've created your campaign, you need to create a link for that campaign. So you go here, click on links, and then you will hit new link. And then this is where you will put your URL. This is where you want them to go to if they're getting a free item or is something that you're trying to promote or sell. So you will put that in here. Okay? And then once you put that in there, you will go over here and you will choose your list for that campaign. Okay? From the campaign. So that's what this would tie to this. So when they opt into the campaign, they will be sent to this URL. Okay. You can also add a referral plan. So if they refer it, they get certain points and stuff, which we will do that in a second. I'll show you how to set that up, but we haven't set that up yet. Okay. So then here's where you can set up a button. Okay. So this will allow you to have them download the file automatically if it's a PDF, but just remember that your PDF or any file can only be 2 megabytes, okay? You can actually upload it directly here and you can create a button. For instance, so if you're doing an ebook, you can do download, and this will change the button when this will change it to download automatically, and they can download that ebook right away, okay? And you can add tags if you choose to do that as well. And another thing you can do is meta information, which is you can change the page header, the sign-in information. You can change that. Just basically go in and edit. You can do meta title, you can do meta description, and you can also add in a meta image, okay? And then another thing, what you can do is you can do tracking, okay? So this will be able to, track their information, simple as that, by using this default, by adding your own domain or anything like that. So that's what that's for. But here's where you want to definitely enable GPR again for all visitors, okay? You definitely want to put that. And then here's a fallback link. If they decided not to opt in, you can use this link here for them to go straight to the offer or a different type of offer you're setting up, okay? And then again, you put that information here if you want to do the name, the last name, and the email, okay? And then you will go here to create the link. And then your link is right here. Now with the link here, you can automatically share that on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or I'm sorry, not Instagram, in LinkedIn or WhatsApp app automatically. You can click on that and it'll automatically allow you to share it, okay? And then here it shows you what is the platforms of the social medias they're using to log in. So, and then if they did log in and they did get, click on it, then they will show here, it will show you clicks, impressions, and leads. And also you can look at the subscription list if you have subscriptions. There is some other features here, okay? So there's a button, okay? So this will allow you to add buttons to your websites or anywhere you want to put these buttons. You can do Twitter, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Microsoft, Yahoo, and Apple. So you can actually go in here, automatically take that link that you just created and copy it and paste it on any of your platforms, websites, wherever you want to put it, okay? And some other features that it has a QR code. And this is very good, useful if you're using like Line or WhatsApp app. You can actually embed this in there and people can actually use their phones and copy it and it'll take them to the link. And then you can do the edit and you can delete this link as well. Okay. Now there's a couple more features that this has, which is data. Okay. So you can see how your campaign is running. You can see how many leads you've gotten. You can see how many links you've created. You can see how many pop-ups, which will show you what is in a second about that. And you can see how many emails that were sent out. You can also see where the data, where they're coming from. If they're coming from Facebook, Twitter, Google, Yahoo, Apple, this will tell you exactly that. And you could break it down. So for instance, if you're only running a campaign for a week, you can put the data start and the data ended, and you hit submit and it'll give you that information. And like again, I said it will show you how your emails are going, if it was sent, seen, or resent. Okay, and you can see all that data here. Another feature it has is where you can do reminders. You can set up reminders for people to be reminded. So for instance, if you're doing an offer for, say, you want them to opt into a webinar, or you wanted them to opt in for a quick offer you're doing, and you want to remind them that the offer is only going to last a certain amount of time, you can set up pop-ups for offers. And the way you do that is basically, let me go back, sorry, I went too fast. What you do is you go to reminders and then you go to new pop-ups, okay? And here you can customize this for anything you choose to, okay? Anything, this is what it will look like, and you can customize it any way you want. So what you do is, to do a reminder for a pop-up for your list, you choose your list, and then you do, if you have a referral, you can create that, which we did, okay? And then you can do, you can schedule the reminder by clicking on here. This is basically what it says here in the column, so people would know. You can actually set this up all different kind of ways. So if you want it to look like that, if you want it just on the side, you want it on the left or the right, you want it underneath, you want it on the right, the top, anywhere. You can customize that how you want it to look. You can also change the colors out. As you can see, the colors, you can change any of this stuff the way you want it to look, and you can go down here and change that as well. You can change the font, and you can change the animation. You can add animation. So if you wanted to fade in and fade out, you can do that. If you wanted to zoom in, it would do that. You can do any of these features that are set here for you for your reminder. Once you create as you did the step and created the way you wanted to look, you hit apply. And this is where you set it up in different languages you can choose from. You can change the title if you want to change the pick up a date for a friendly reminder. You can do that, and you can set up a bunch of them and save them. You can do a quick description of what you want to say, and you can do a reminder button. So you can change the reminder button to say, you can do update. You can change any of this stuff here. And then you can do here is you can send out an email text if you choose to, a subscription text if you want to do that, and that's optional, okay? The next thing you do is display. So this is how many times a person would see it. If you want them to see it when they first come in, or you want to wait 25 seconds or 10 seconds or 30 seconds, that will be popping up to give them the option to click on it to set the reminder. Now you can also do how many times you want them to see it. So say for instance, they go back and forth, and if you want them to see it once or twice, as many times as they have gone into the campaign, you can do a reminder for that. And you can also set it up to appear just in desktop or tablet and mobile, or all or above. And this one right here is how many times do you want them to see it? I'm sorry, how many times you want it to display, and that gives you that option here. You can set that up. Once you've done all that, you can hit submit, and this is what it will look like over here, what they will get when it comes a reminder through an email. And then that would basically tell them, hey, this is the reminder. What do you want to do? And they got an option of clicking on any of these above to set up the reminder. Okay? Simple and easy. Not very difficult and not very hard. Okay, so let's get to the nitty-gritty. Let's get to prices. Okay, so the prices that they have is the LeadPal Lite is $44.39, and you get the Facebook leads, you get Twitter, Google, and LinkedIn. You get Data Analytics Lite version. You get to sync in your auto response leads. You get 3,000 leads, and you get 500 participants virtual. You get 5 pop-up domains. You get 50 remaining pop-ups, and you get full product training and bonuses and priority tech support. So if anything happens, you can just send an email to priority. Now, for about, say about a little over $3 more, you get all of that, but you get Amazon, you get Apple, Microsoft, and Yahoo leads. So what that means is those are the ones when people click on to log into the campaign, they get to choose if they want to use Google, if they want to use their Amazon account, if they want to use a Twitter account. That's what that is. And then you get the analytics. You get 5,000 leads, 1,000 virtual participants, and you get 10 pop-ups, and you get 100 reminder pop-ups, and you get the full training and the product. Now, the opt-in one, which is pro, you get everything in the premium, but you also get to remove the power by the branding at the bottom. You get to customize your domain integration up to 10 different domains. So if you're doing different campaigns for 10 different clients, you can integrate their domains. You can connect up to 50 social media accounts, okay? And everything in premium, okay? And option 2, which is their LeadPal Platinum, which is $37 a month or $97 a year. You get everything, like I said, in the premium, and in the pro, you get unlimited campaigns, leads, collections. You get unlimited domains. You get unlimited reminding domains. You get unlimited pop-up setups. You get unlimited reminders. You get unlimited social accounts, and you get unlimited team members. That means you can add team members to help with the campaigns. Now, in option 3, which is upsell 3, you get the luxury, which is basically resend and resend to unopened emails. So when you're sending out emails and someone's not opening it, you can actually send another email to them. That might be a really good feature, especially if you are targeting certain people for certain products. This is included a special offer, retargeting integrations, weekly statuses by email. You get the QR code. So if you want to use like what's up or Line, you can send over a QR code and people can scan it in and they can opt in that way. And you can sync your leads to more than one auto response at a time. So this is really good because if you are doing multiple campaigns for customers and you're doing this as a business, you definitely want that feature, okay? So, and the last one is the white label rights. So this will allow you, it's for $297. One-time payment. You get the branding, so that means you can put your own customized branding on it, which is your domain, and you can sell lead generation access to businesses for marketing. So that means you have the option of selling this product to other businesses and you keep all the sales, okay? You get to a dashboard with your brand logo, okay? You get to create leads pages and reminders for clients. So that means if the clients are running a campaign, you can create pages for them. You can create up to 500 clients, okay? White label domain, white labels will be available to use their own domains. So that means if you have clients, they can use their own domain, okay? And as well as customized emailing addresses and logos, total rebranding with your own logo company details means that this will be under your account. So if you're selling it to other clients and customers for their business, then it will be all under you. Clients can have their own team members, so that means they can add their own team members. Plus, you will get the option bonuses if there's some bonuses with this platform, which I don't really, you'll have to go to the page, the sales page, to see what the bonuses is. But this is all the price points. You have $44, $39, and then if you do a few more dollars, it's $47, and then a pro version, which is $67. So if you want to do your own domain, that's good. Then you have the platinum, which is more features, which is $37 a month or $97 a year, and then you can actually upgrade that one to $47. You get the luxury and these features included, as well as you can actually do white label. So if you're doing white label, like I said, that is good if you're trying to grow your business or start a business. So this may be one of those features where you just sell this platform to customers to use to grow their business, to grow their emails. Okay? So if you like this platform, there will be a link at the bottom of this video, and FYI, I am affiliated with this platform. So any product you purchase from this platform, I will get a small commission. Okay? So this is Michael Mail with Affiliate Rookie. Thank you for watching my video of not preview, but a review of LeadPal. And if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more content like this video, hit the subscribe button. Okay? So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. You have a great day. Bye.